This is the website Splash Learn, which can be a great educational tool for parents and teachers to use with their children or students. They provide different activities and games, especially regarding math for grades kindergarten through 5th. Today I'm focusing on place value games. If you scroll down, you can look at different games based on the grade level. You can also look dependent upon the topic. So it gives you a brief description at the top. Then we scroll down, it's organized by grade. So it starts with kindergarten, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. It lets you know that different Common Core standards are being applied during these activities. And for some games, it lets you know specifically which one, which can be very, very beneficial, especially for teachers. So let's pick a game, 10,000s. It gives you a brief description, it lets you know it covers Common Core standards, and a simple image. Let's play.
Complete the place value chart for the following number.
Okay, complete the place value chart for the following number. The number is 50,200. So it gives you the number in one form, shows you it broken down into a chart, and lets you know which number the student is searching for. So for example, in this one, they're searching for the 10,000s place. So they have 4 options. Let's say they pick 5.
Awesome.
Wonderful. They get a brief reward. They earn a coin. Okay, yet again, let's try. Now they're searching for the hundreds place. This time I'm going to pick the wrong answer. Let's pick a 2. Okay, they break it down for you, let you know which is the correct answer, and leave this up on the screen until your child or your student decides that they are prepared and ready to move on.
Complete the place value chart for the following number.
This is a great learning experience, a wonderful activity for students, especially students focusing on their different place values.